Assalamu alaikum. Today we learn about English speaking. As you know, learning of English is very easy. Today we discuss about some rules about learning of English. I will discuss some English tenses, how we can speak regular English in daily life. First of all, I will discuss about routine wise English. Today, some of rules like tenses I will discuss in this video. As we know that how many tenses and practice at home. The grammar of English is very easy. If you have a knowledge, you can easily speak. For example, the tenses, the number of tenses are present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. Similarly, we can past, past continuous tense, past indefinite tense, and past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. We can learn easily if we have knowledge about tenses and rules and formulas of tenses. We can easily speak and learn easily English fluently. First of all, I will discuss as past tense. We can also like future tenses. Future tenses like future indefinite tense, future continuous tense, and future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense. Today I will explain present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense. In Urdu or in English, I will explain today present indefinite tense in Urdu. First of all, we know how we can judge present indefinite tense. That is very easy. The formula of present indefinite tense is very simple. The formula of present indefinite tense is the formula of tense is very easy, as you can see on the screen. First of all, subject plus verb, we can add s or es. and plus object. What is subject? First of all, subject is very simple. Subject includes I, we, you, he, she, it, they, or single name Ali, Aslam, Akram, like. You also know about verbs. The forms of verbs first, second or third. But in the present indefinite tense we use first form of verb. And then we object. For example, I go to school. We go to school. The daily life of tenses, we in use our life. I go to school. I go to Lahore. I go to Murray. It is very simple and very easy and quick method to learn English. I go for walk. As you know that. Similarly, another example for this, I catch fish, I catch dog, I catch football. That is very easy. You daily use in life. So subscribe our channel. In fast learning, we will help you in all times. You know better than speaking is fast, then we learning fast. Similarly, in the sentences I use only simple, we can also define as a negative sentences like I don't or I do not go to school. I does not go to school. Wrong. We use always he, she, it or single name Ali, Aslam, Akram. So very easy. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching and keep supporting.